welcome to the Fashionista Professor channel, and this is the Fashionista Professor. And so today we are gonna be doing this fabulous outfit from Fashion Nova. Let's take a moment and see the outfit. This is the back, and I'm gonna put the details down below so you guys can see, or you can look it up. I think it's sold out for now, but I really like this outfit. It's sort of a bandage like stretch material, as you can see, and this is a size extra small, which I love because it holds the babies up very well. And you can see it snatches the waist. Look at the side, look at how it snatches my waist. Is it fabulous or not? And then of course I'm styling it with my long gloves that you all requested, and with solid sterling silver hammered ring and my crystal bracelet. And I have my, it's called a pill bag because it's made in the shape of a pill. Look at that. Is that fabulous or what? I think it goes with a whitish area of the tulle dress. So this has bandage here, and then it has tulle, as you can see, so many layers of tulle with a wide fringe, and I think it's simply splendid. This will be fabulous for the opera or for the symphony. What do you think? So let me go ahead and do the Fashionista Professor runway modeling of this dress sitting in the car, because I am not trying to drag this on my driveway, and I'll go ahead and do a short clip inside the house as well for you guys. So hold on, let me go ahead and get in the car and do some poses for you guys. I'm gonna style it in my style.
You need help, mademoiselle?
No. So I sort of feel like I am, you know, like a princess train or something like that. Sitting like this, you know, like how in olden days parades they have people in the car and stuff like that. So this is it.
Do not fall, please.
Tell me not to fall. I'm gonna try to.
Do you need help?
Yeah. for the Fashionista Professor runway modeling of this outfit. Comment down below and let me know what you think of it. And I'm sure you guys are gonna see the clips taken inside too. Comment down below and let me know whether you prefer the inside clip or the outside clip. So YouTube, this is the Fashionista Professor runway modeling of this outfit inside the house, whereby I'm not gonna drag my whole driveway. Like I mentioned, I'm styling it with a peel bag. So music, hit it. Fashionista Professor with modeling of this outfit. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with us. Comment down below and let me know which one you prefer, modeling the outfit here or modeling the outfit outside. And I hope you have subscribe. If you have not subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button here or here, depending on where it may be on your screen. And please do turn on the notification such that you'll be notified when next I upload another fabulous outfit. So till next time when I upload the vlog, thank you so much for being with us. Kisses, kisses from far away, kisses from far away, kisses from far away. Que bless you. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with us. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button here or here, depending on where it may be on your screen. And please do turn on the notifications such that you'll be notified when next I upload a vlog. So till next time I upload a vlog, thank you for watching. Thank you for being with us, and thank you so much to all of you that continually watch whenever I upload. So till next time, kisses, kisses from far away, kisses from far away, kisses from far away. Mwah.